Hi everyone, I'm here to show you how to set up your own natural lighting at home. All you need is a window, a daylight curtain as a diffuser, or you can use a reflector, a 5-in-1 reflector which has a diffuser here and a reflector. This reflector is my own DIY reflector which has a stand which you can just put here and it's self-standing. So I'm going to take some pictures right now to show you the effect of side lighting. Sometimes you want to change your lighting. I'm going to change it from a side light to a backlight. All I need to do is just turn my table around like so. Move my camera. Position my reflector. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video about side lighting and backlighting and how you set it up. See you next time. Bye. Any question, please comment below. Don't forget to share it and click the subscribe button. And I'll see you next time. Bye.